We talked about the rough side of the entertainment business, and your role as CEO. A lot of times, you're the person that is the contact point with the client when there might be a disagreement, or they're pushing too hard, when they're asking too much, or you have to say no. What is the most powerful word in Hollywood?
No.
And why is that?
I set him up for that.
Why is that?
Because it's just the nature of the industry. Like, it's on so many levels. But like I was saying, some of our clients want to put us out of business. I had a friend who was being hired on a film as a visual effects supervisor, and the studio told him if he didn't put a vendor out of business, that he wasn't doing his job. He's like, yeah, that's not how it works. And he didn't take the job. And so from there, I'm like, oh, okay, that makes sense. And I'll tell people straight up, like, I'm not a business you're gonna, kill on this job. Remember, it's a mutually beneficial relationship. I'm here to make your film better. And then if you kind of like say no and like slap them a little, they behave and respect you. And then there's also the just controlling your growth. Like, it can be so busy. I had a friend who closed his company last year because he just kind of took on work and didn't manage his growth. And like, for me, I want to have fun at what I do. And we've grown our company to the size that, I feel comfortable running it and want to put the time and effort into. And the next step is kind of taking on investment and professional managers and helping it grow. But I'm not going to do that all on my own. I want like somebody who's more experienced to come in and do that. I don't want to be the only one doing it.